Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Wraps Day. Today we're gonna make a barbecue chicken cheese wrap. I bought these carrot wraps and man, they're delicious and have such a beautiful color. And you know these wraps are lazy, so I have some pre-cooked chicken here. And we're gonna add my favorite barbecue sauce, smoky barbecue beer sauce. And we're gonna put about 1.5 teaspoons in it. Now give this a good mixing. And of course you can use different kinds of barbecue sauces. Now let's make this wrap. First I'm gonna put in our barbecue chicken. And I think it's about 75 grams of chicken. Could be more, could be less. Some good old cheese. And this is old cheese, so it's good old cheese. Now some greens. And this was a mixed bag of greens. And you know the pocket fold. I really like the pocket fold. Now, look at that, beautiful. But we're gonna make two. Now, something special. We're gonna put them in the oven. But not just in the oven. We're gonna put on more of that old cheese. And you know, the cheese is gonna melt on top and make it all cheesy. And I really like some kick to it, so I'm gonna grind over some black peppercorns. Oh yes, cheese and black peppercorns go so well. They will go in the oven for about 10 minutes, maybe less, let's see. Oh yes, you can see the cheese bubbling. Now look at that. Barbecue chicken cheese wraps. These are gonna be delicious. Look at, oh, the smell. Oh yes, yes, I want one. Now, we're gonna slice one open just to see how it looks on the inside. Oh yes. Now, have a look. Oh yeah, barbecue chicken. Well, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat him. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to the channel if you're new, give it a like and leave me a comment. Oh man, I really love reading comments. And as always, see you next time.